The reason that I started Embark was really to fulfill one of my dreams, which was owning my own business and really being able to control my own destiny and fulfill my freedoms. Embark is a coaching, consulting, and training company focused on small to mid-sized businesses and individuals in the contract interior space. But what's important to me was the ability to be able to give back. And really, I felt that it was my time to help other people figure out how to be the best they can be and let me take my talents and my skills and my gifts to really teach them and help them and coach them along the way. So today we worked with AIS and part of their sales organization and worked with them on Craft Your Journey.
Craft Your Journey is a very intensive, thought-provoking group coaching workshop. We went through the 7 pillars of professional development, and one of the things that we really found when starting the program was that this is a very latent need in the marketplace. So in developing this program, we focused on those 7 pillars to make very tangible results, things that people can walk away with and feel like they can start making impacts and changes in their careers tomorrow.
I thought it was spectacular. I really enjoyed how engaging it was, just how important it is to set goals, to really know what your missions are, what your vision is, how to get there, and really learned what my why was today. I would recommend it to any business owner.
Really, we do what we do, and we're here to help you, our customers, succeed. We are here to help you find the success that you want. Our goal is to meet you where you are and help you along your journey.
So I think it was a very, very good use of time for a lot of different reasons. There's a lot of messages that could be taken from the seminar. I highly recommend the program. The instructors were phenomenal, and I appreciate their time as well.
I thought it was a really great program, and it definitely motivated me and energized me. It was really helpful.
Just going through Crafting Your Journey today, it really made me focus more on thinking what my goals are going to be and just thinking every day, okay, this is how I need to focus within my everyday career and just take that to another level.
What I really walked away with was the emphasis on setting goals, strategizing your short-term, mid-term, and long-term areas of focus, and how to bring about the techniques that you need to implement those goals.
So if anything that you heard today resonates with you, or you'd like to start your journey towards attaining the success that you're looking for and that you want and deserve, please reach out to us. Connect with us on LinkedIn, find us on Facebook, email us, or check out our website. We'd love to hear from you. We could not be more excited about sharing our experiences and all the things that we've learned over the years to help you grow your business or to help you craft your journey towards success.